We got a hand.
Got a hand. If you want, you can move this. You want this loose?
No, I'm good.
Move it around. Now you can move the camera around.
Look at that hand.
Oh god.
2 hands.
Sharon on the camera.
Sharon on the cam. Don't admit to that because that's bad.
What? Is it red? Yeah, she's recording. This one's gonna be a barn burner, folks. Great first pull. Right out of bounds.
Is that a brick?
That is a brick, Sharon. Well done.
Wow, we got bricks.
Are learning.
New to the sport.
This is Sharon's first year of playing Ultimate.
It's true.
Oh boy, Crazy Pants goes. Crazy Pants in the end zone. Nice score from
What a
Crazy
grab.
Pants.
Crazy Pants.
So much Crazy Pants.
Oh, yeah.
1-0 red.
1-0 Crazy Pants.
Who's on the scoreboard? Whoa, hey, full
Big
start.
out. Oh, a lot of confusion there,
Oh,
but
here's Red's MO, the roller pull. They love the roller pull.
we got a lot of cat
Lindbergh
pants.
picks up quickly. Centers it to Ben.
Bees.
Ben over to Danielle. Danielle,
Bees.
looking. Got, oh, nice
inside. Sparky.
Oh, man. Ben's going crazy.
What's gonna go? Oh, there it is.
Show us your tattoo.
With a nice grab. Tattoo. Tattoo. Just a little bit. Not even a camera look.
That
All right.
guy is B.
Libby. B-Y. L-I-B-B-Y. L-I-B-B-Y.
Are you recording right now? Oh, here we go. Great pull from Libs. Pins him back deep. Zach fielding to the middle. Over the bones. He's got lots of tall people running downfield, but dumps it off to the wide open girl. Telephone pole has got the disc. He's looking for it. Danny's getting poached by Eric, but now Eric tightens up. High stall situation. Throws it over. Lindbergh breaks it up. Oh, great defense. Dima also. What?
There's a call.
Are you kidding?
There's a call.
A call?
In disbelief.
A call?
Amir is in disbelief. But there is a
On
call.
that throw, you're going to call fouls? Are you kidding?
Yo, it's the roommate matchup. Just let it be.
This is unbelievable. Oh, it's a stall. Never mind.
Oh,
It's okay.
it's a stall call.
It's all cool. It's all cool. It's all cool, guys.
Amir's
All cool,
okay
all cool.
with it.
Everybody relax. Nobody freak out here.
That's
Everybody
so unlike
take
Amir to
that
freak
deep
out.
breath. Oh, he just ripped it over to Zach. The one true Zach.
Ooh,
Cannot catch it.
Crazy Pants.
Crazy Pants on the defense. Let's see if the other Zach can make something happen. Now he's back on O. Red has a lot of trees out there.
Trees.
A lot of tall trees.
I see some birch. I see some redwood.
Some pine.
Yeah.
Pine.
Suckamore.
Weeping Willow, if anything.
Oh, nice little play there.
There's a lot of cherry blossoms.
Smokestack got beat by Goat with that play a ton of times.
Ooh,
Nice
Crazy
try
Pants.
from Crazy Pants, but can't get
Oh, I thought he caught it.
it. Libby picks up, no mark. Nobody wanted to go break side there. But she throws it into the other Zach.
Oh,
Zach dumps it over
Bummer.
to Danny.
fake.
Danny travels and throws it back to Zach. And then throws it over to Ashley. Ashley grabs
oh. Woo, 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 woo.
What's the score? The hold.
It's 2-1 blue with the hole, says Amir.
Oh yeah, that's getting in the rafters real
Joe
fast.
Mama with the pull.
Joe's like, I put up one disc in the light. I'm gonna see how many I can get up there.
Yeah.
I think
He hit
can-
that rafter.
I think he can get 3 or 4 up there tonight.
Oh, yeah.
If he's lucky.
Oh, for sure.
All
But,
right, host stack from Blue. They like that downfield isolation.
ooh, we got a brick. We got a brick.
No, it's way in front of the brick. This is like midfield.
JK, it's way.
They're poaching Ben.
Hey, Candy,
Oh,
stop
wow,
rocking the
great
boat.
throw on the inside. Looking for Libs, can't find her. Now throwing it back to Dima in the handler set. Dima, nice throw over to Libby.
Libby.
Oh, that's gonna get
Ooh.
eaten up. Allen on the
SWAT.
D, baby.
Huge D.
Allen says, get that weak stuff
All right, we
out
got
of
Crazy
here,
Pants. We
man."
got Crazy Pants. Oh, no, that's Joe. That's Joe.
No, that's just Joe. His pants are crazy, but they're not quite as crazy.
And we got Ben on mark.
They got Allen on the first. He's on the under. Ooh. Pretty good defense there. Allen looking for an around. Oh, that one's going over. Sparky cannot clean it up,
Woo!
but thankfully no one behind him cares enough to grab it.
It was an attempt. Is that Libby with the disc?
Over to Ben. Sparky does not want to catch a score, so he's going to just play underneath. Libby being smart. Checking it off. Over to Sparks.
She's so smart.
Ben wide open. No one playing defense on him. There's been so much no defense. It's crazy. Ben wide open again still. There it is. Now they finally throw it to Sparky in the end zone for the score. 2-2.
That's a 2-2. Got pull.
All right, Lindbergh with a huge rip. Puts it to the back corner. Joe's going to bring it inbounds. He's going to center it over to Zach. Zach's going to throw it over to Vet. Nope, he's going to pump it. Lindbergh on the defense.
Oh, and the wire.
Just crushed it.
Missed that on camera, but it was a huge
I think Bones
wire.
was going to just make a huge play over
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Like total garbage.
Oh, for sure.
He didn't eat any hot dogs today.
I'm going to zoom on this matchup. Roomy matchup here.
Roommates.
Nice. Nice swing.
Or sorry, Michael Wilson. Ooh, nice grab from Zach. I think, oh, wow, that's a little bit of
just
a tough grab there.
Unfortunate.
Here we go, Bones, trying to get them stats. No, he's going to have to, oh yeah, there it is. Cheeky little throw from Bones over to Joe. Throws it out to Daniela, but unfortunately they're not on the same team, so it doesn't count for a score.
It's true.
They did change those rules.
Friction.
Over to Connington. He was voted best hair on NCDC. Okay, nice throw from Lindbergh. Joe not even close, but bids anyway. Over to Olsen. Olsen's got it. He's a solo Olsen tonight, unfortunately. Olsen's work best in pairs. Everyone knows that. Danielle looking for her boyfriend. Gets it over to him.
Honey pass. But just not far enough.
Oh man, oh man, oh man.
Back to the honey, back to the honey.
Just takes time.
All right.
Oh! Circus
Does he get it?
Second attempt for the score.
Woo woo!
I think that puts Blue up 1. All right, pull is up. It's somewhere. I'll find it. There it is. Oh, it's in bounds. He's going to the cone with that one. I'm going to try and make this so it's not all crazy and unlevel, but nope, that's not going to happen. Sorry, guys. You're going to have to deal with it. Zach's got it. Looking the around, throws the around over to Bones. Sorry about this pipe that's right in the way. Joe's got it downfield to a girl, I think. Yeah, girl. Over to Ashley. Ashley, nice grab. At least I think it's Ashley. This screen's very small. Looking for Joe on the reset. Good old circle cut. Doesn't get it. But Bones able to get the reset. Out to space. Great throw. Great grab. Oh, that's a little bit behind, but Zach is able to grab it. Throws it back over to Joe, who rips a hammer for the score to Danny. But he yelled, so I don't know what they're calling score. Score red. Heyo. All right, here we go. Pull coming on in, and I think it's gonna be right out of bounds. Oh God. All right, they're gonna go ahead and put this one in the center of the field here. We got Ben the Tattoo Man bringing it in. All right, Hostak from Blue. I think that was a break. Looks like they're forcing backhand. Oh, that's a turn. That disc is down, thrown short. Chance to break for red. And that is a turnover. Zach on the D. That was going to nobody. So we're gonna have Lindbergh picking it up here. Got Libby on the reset, over to the middle. All the way out wide. Looking for somebody. They got Lindbergh. Lindbergh looking for somebody to complain to. Throws a backhand blade over to Elizabeth Lehman for the score. I think Blue's up 1. I'll check though. All right. The Tattoo Man pulls it right out of bounds. That thing's going upper level. All right, we're gonna have Joe bringing the disc in at the brick, Mac. Vert stack from Red. Looks like they have Val back with Joe, I think. Over to Zach on the under.
Jared, hurry up!
Over to somebody else, can't tell. And that's a turnover. They're gonna call it up, but on this tiny screen, it was very, very much a turnover. And then I think Zach caught a score. Yeah, they're gonna call all that up and good. Oh my God, Sharon just brought over snacks. Hell yeah!
I bought them.
Here? At this place, they had real veggie chips here?
Yeah, they did. All the potatoes.
Lindbergh with the disc. Throws a nice little cheeky blade over to Danielle. And they keep it alive for her. That was gonna hit the ground.
Oh. Update from downstairs.
40 minutes and 30 seconds.
40 minutes, 30 seconds. What's the score?
4 or 5.
4-5. 4-5.
I caught one.
All right, decent pull from Blue. Joe fields it. Centers it over to Zach, who swings it all the way to Bones. Looking for a reset. Gets over to Zach.
Oop. And we've got Joe. Joe in the cat pants.
Nice little roll there.
Joe in the cat
Blue.
pants. Space cat pants, if anything. Got an under from one. Is that Elsa? That's Elsa.
So far, really good
Let it
downfield
go.
defense from Blue.
Let it go. Oh, we've got another cat pants throw. Ashley with the grab.
Great throw from Bones for the score.
Absolutely. Positively. Aluminium.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Spectacular, really.
Yeah. 14% of my fat for the day.
Oh, what Joe to
I'm
go.
gonna eat way more than one serving. Over to Libs in the middle with their warm-up.
Libby with her formal pants.
I feel like we have a
She's
higher
casual.
percentage of warm-up pants in the league this year than ever before.
I agree. What's up with that?
Demo with the sling.
Hot dog.
Oh,
Ooh,
wow.
Almost.
Sparky was going to get on the second attempt, but he can't ring it in.
Do you think they can hear the crunch?
Oh, they absolutely can.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
They're so crunchy, though.
It's because they're vegetables.
This
Vegetables
game
are great.
Brought to you by Terra Chips. The most delicious real potato chips in the world. Wow, they're going to go up to Ashley again.
Great read.
Oh
no.
She just missed it. Oh, they're going zone.
Zone. Oh, jeez.
That patented red zone. Gotta have a lot of patience to beat this.
Heck yeah, Libby with her warm-up pants.
There it is.
All right. Red's got a chance to bring it back.
Can't hear it.
Is that Joe Mama? Is that Joe
Wow.
Mama Steen?
Oh, great bid by Val. Just out of reach.
Libby's picking up in her warm-up pants. She looks
Be
great.
careful with that pole, man.
I do apologize.
All right. Libby swings over. Looks like they're going with that zone look again.
I think you should speak up a little bit.
Olsen over to Libby. Oh, Libby just taking a huge chunk over to
To
Sparks.
Sparks.
Wow.
Oh, great grab.
Really great snatch by Libby, but then it's
Oh,
turned
hot
over.
dog. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. We got Laser Cat Space Pants picking up.
Great D from Elizabeth. I'll tell you what, Danny Bones is losing his mind on the sideline.
Oh, yeah?
Great around from Elizabeth.
She is in her warm-up pants after all.
Over back to Elizabeth. Oh, she's gonna. I can't believe they're not throwing it to Dima. There's no one guarding him.
Like
Okay,
that?
there we go. Now they throw it to Dima for the
there they
score.
go. Hey-oh, Pip. Eric Lindbergh. Eric Lindbergh.
How many times do you think he's complained today?
100% of the time.
Wow.
He already said he had 2 naps. That's
How
like...
many hot dogs?
How many hot dogs? Hot dog. You got a pull?
Lindbergh on the yank.
Feeling the pull? We got crazy pants. Oh, just kidding. It's space.
Moderate. Oh, that one's going to Zach.
Space
Zach's
cat
got
pants.
space for days. Space for days.
Easy. All right.
Chance that this pull's a roller.
He's rallying the troops. Look at him.
Chance that this is a roller.
Hey, let's go. Dance party. Oh yeah. I'm wearing crazy cat space pants.
It's 6-6 right now.
6-6. 6-6 is a score. Oh yeah. We got crazy pants. We got telephone pole. We got Ashley. We got who's that? Muted pants. You can do better. And Elsa. Let it go.
And it's a roller.
'Cause the cold never bothered me anyway. Alright, we're going.
I don't know if that's part of the song.
I think it is.
Out to Sparky to space, but Danielle's gonna be there first.
Ooh,
grab.
with a grab. She needs something.
Over to Ben Tattooman.
Benny.
Dima back to Ben. Wow, they're wheeling and dealing
Wow.
right here.
I hope they show us their tattoo.
There we go. That was great small ball from
Yes,
Blue to
great
take the
job.
lead 7-6. Wonderful yank.
I missed it. I'm sorry. Oh, wrong way.
Oh, that's going to just get out of bounds, though. It was really fun.
Okay. I'm going to settle in here. Red is on 6-6.
Try again.
7-6.
I think you're right.
All right. 7-6. Someone's winning.
Blue.
We got a big cut.
Zach puts it up. Joe with Ben on him, and Joe just doesn't even jump and just paws that one down. Puts out to Elsa, but great defense from Blue. I don't know what her name is, but she just did the shit out of that.
Is that Haley? Probably Haley. Haley's very tall. She's great. All right.
We got Hostak.
We got Eric on the cone.
Danielle downfield.
Zach on the mark.
Jake downfield. And
Honey
Cameron.
pass? Odds of the honey pass?
I like going to the honey pot.
Honey pot.
Oh boy. Yeah, that's bad news.
That's a turn.
No mark on Joe is bad news too, but it's over to Zach.
Was that Joe or Danny? You know, sometimes you can't
And
tell.
that is turned over. Just
Ooh.
dropping the end zone.
Wow, that was
a little bit of a low
something.
throw. Can't remember
Eric
actually.
again with a disc on the cone.
They're gonna do it again.
It's true.
Here we go. Love connection. Doesn't throw it. Dumps it over to Olsen. Olsen to Jake. Jake, wow, great cut from Ben on the under. They got a woman is poached. They got some poaches. Oh God, okay. That guy didn't see it. Oh, just turns and immediately throws the hammer for the score.
Hey-oh.
Lindbergh.
That was a honey assist. Let's count it. Got a pull from
Classic
Kathmandu.
roller pull.
Roller puller.
All we have
Roly-poly-oly.
we only got little chips left. Little
But
bits.
Libby with her warm-up pants, taking that disc. Absolutely. Crushing it. Yeah. Oh. Ew. Unfortunate. Not Libby's fault. Not Libby's fault at all.
Want some more Justin?
What's going on in this game? Who's winning?
Blue is
No one
up.
knows,
Blue
but
is
it's
up.
halftime. It's halftime
Blue's up
switch.
too. They just got the disc out to get a quasi break.
Yo, mama.
Break side, yep.
Hello.
Easy.
Hello.
Super
Cat pants
easy.
to cat pants.
I think
Let's
it's 8-7
laser cat in
now.
space.
Blue.
I think you're right.
All right. All right.
Hey yo.
All right. Amir and I just had a moment with our potato chips.
wow.
And
Sparky,
they
pick it
pulled
up.
it.
Oh, wow, we got somebody wide open. Oh, it's that zone. It's that zone. All the way across the field. Ben, the tattoo man.
Yet to see the tattoo. Does it
Yeah.
exist? We don't
I
know.
think it does. I think that everyone's just making jokes about it.
I agree.
But it's not real.
Until we see it. It's on camera. It doesn't count. Oh, yes, Libby. Oh,
Sparky with
and
space
a
goes
Sparky.
up and grabs
that
the
roommate
score.
connection. Heyo, heyo, pep, pep.
Watch the video to find
Oh,
out, but
shoot.
really
Well, actually, that's not it. You should watch the
Yeah.
video to watch
We
what
need,
happens.
Sharon, we need people to view these so we can get ad revenue.
Yeah.
From YouTube.
right now we're sitting at about like 60 views a pop.
So you're saying you're not sponsored yet?
By Big Salad? Not by
Oh.
Big Salad yet?
This game is not brought to you by the Big Salad. This game is brought to you by Kentucky Bakery. Libby boxing out! Oh, Zach on the
Oh!
tackle! Great tackle from Zach! Putting Libby in the ground.
Yo, take your pants off!
And jacket.
Close your face. It's alright, brother.
All right,
Great job, Libby.
Ben is on the field.
Bad tattoo man.
We could see the tattoo here.
Hypothesized, speculated, tall tale
They are
tattoo.
forcing it into the four sideline. But then they're switching their force. They're going four side, break side. Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Oh.
Yeah, that was scary. Over. Let's see. Crazy mark. Oh, this is gonna be a good score. Right up the line. Red puts it in. We're back tied at 8.
We're at 8?
8-9?
8,
Never
9?
mind.
To be
know what the score
determined.
is.
Ambitious.
We will confirm at a later point.
All
Who's
right.
receiving? And we got
Sparkles.
Sparkles on the pool. He caught it.
Over to the Dima.
I missed it on the camera, but he caught it.
It happened. They're playing zone. Again, can Blue have some patience this time?
Ooh.
I don't know. They tend to not have patience, so.
Sparky, Sparky, every other.
Over to Dima.
Activate.
Danielle
There we
in the
go.
middle.
There we go.
There we go. Now they're just chipping
They're in the
away.
move. They're in the
Nice
groove.
and slow, chipping away. The middle of this zone in the shallow space is very open.
Oh, yeah.
Very, very open.
Oh, yeah.
They're doing a great job of exploiting the middle.
Yep.
Just throwing it. Oh, Joe tried to get caddy
Easy.
there.
Oh.
Danielle
Easy.
over
Oh.
Sparks, and that was
pretty.
super
That looks
easy.
Nice
casual.
patience.
Nice warm-up pants.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's 10-8 Blue. Sorry, we were really
Sorry.
fucked up on the scoreboard.
Sorry.
Dude, there have been
that a
so
rafter?
many out of bounds poles that are just to the sideline.
Danny's taking it.
Not even rollers.
That's a middle.
just really
Middle call.
throwing it out there fast and furious.
Although technically, did he throw a hand up? No one knows.
Who cares?
Who cares? Not even a rule.
All right.
Technicality.
And they throw it out to space to Ashley on the break side. Crazy Pants has got all day. Oh, Ben lays out, but can't get around Danny. He's so big and strong. Over to Zach. Continues over to Joe. Joe throws it inside,
Ooh.
and Elsa lets it go.
Is there a
I
call?
think she's gonna call straight.
What's happening?
It looked like she caught it and got knocked out of her hand, but I don't know. We are very far away.
We are.
I don't think
Not
we,
great
I
perspective.
don't think we have best perspective.
Well, we could like argue that we do.
We could argue.
Because we're unbiased.
Very unbiased. So they're
Something's
gonna get rid of
happening.
this here.
Oh.
They're looking for a reset. Oh, wow. Great job from Joe to get open, but that was really good defense from Lindbergh.
Truth.
Throws up a play to Zach, and that's going to be a score for Red.
Money
Makes it
in
10,
the pot.
9. Blue still up 1.
You heard it here, folks. First.
And
We have a hand. That's a pull from Danny.
we have light blue winning right now.
We do. I believe it's...
Dima, is that right?
What?
Is the score right?
I think so. I was reading the backwards.
Do you want to repeat the score real quick?
Yeah, Dima, what do you think the score is right now?
Libby Layman with the
Wow, great D from Muted Pants.
muted pants with the D.
We were really hoping that Ben would catch that so he could show us his tattoo,
True.
but
That's my
All we want to see is
Certainly
Ben's
did not.
tattoo. Is it real? We may never know.
looking for a reset. And
Ooh, was that Hamlet?
yeah, he swatted the
Sparky,
piss out
Sparky,
of that.
Sparky.
He swatted the piss out of that.
Ooh.
Usually, oh
Ooh,
my.
and a
good
lefty.
look. Ben with the
Oh.
grab!
Show us your tat!
The tattoo! We
Show
wanna
us!
see the
tat, tat, tat. Oh, come on, come on.
Tat.
I'm gonna keep it rolling.
Bring it right here. Tat.
That's not the tat we wanted. That's not the tat we wanted.
Tat. Yeah. Sick. Libby, great yank. Over to Zach. Zach over Joe. Joe looking for a break. Gets it over to Zach. Pick called by Lindbergh. He thinks he had a play. No one else on the field does.
But Crazy Pants? On Crazy Pants?
Crazy Pants has been all over the place. Crazy Pants is not getting D by fucking Lindbergh. Look at Crazy Pants is like...
give and go.
Dima needed to bid and lay that out. Actually, he just should have caught it for the Callahan.
Hot dog. Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Lindbergh wants to pick it up. He wants to throw a break. He wants to throw a break. He wants to throw a break. Oh, Libby on the strike cut for the score.
Easy. Nice job, Libs.
So dope.
Dope. This is Ben with the pull, because he's
12-9.
tatted.
12-9.
Hashtag tatted. Let's see that tat. Tat. There it goes.
Oh, baby. Is that going to stay in? Is that going to stay in? Is that going to stay in? I think it's going to stay in. That's a great pull. Great pull. Over to Zach in the middle now. They got that split stack going. Shake off Ashley. Oh, now they throw it to Ashley. Never too deep. Oh, and just off her fingertips.
Bummer.
You getting Falcor here in the corner? What's this guy doing? What's this guy doing over here?
I think
What an idiot.
we got
Look at
some
him.
yoga.
He's raising his hand.
We got
He's like, I got a
some-
question. Professor?
Pick me.
Professor?
He wants in.
Oh, it's not
Just let him in. All right, we got.
It's Matt. It's
Oh.
Matt. Fucked up. I thought it was Falcor.
Amir thought it was
big, tall,
Falcor.
and
That's
stupid.
racist.
Falcor's wearing a dumb hat.
We got sparked with the disc. We're back in it. We're back in it.
Ben's looking down.
Bees knees, hashtag tatted.
Great little round break, actually, technically. Over to, oh, wow.
Ooh,
Can she
get it.
She grabs
Absolutely.
it. That's a
Great grab.
Fantastic grab. Back to Sparky. Sparky looking, surveying. He's got Ben. Drops it off to him.
Hashtag
Sparky
tatted.
wants it back. He's got it back. They do a little roll. They don't bust it, but he is open. Oh.
Ooh, weird. Unfortunate.
Oh no. Oh no, guys. And they loft it up. Steven is tall. And he's tall enough to grab
Heyo. That's
it. Steven is tall. That makes it 12-10, something nueve.
huevos. Rancheros.
To huevos, not rancheros. Like a Enrique Iglesias song.
Y jamón.
Jamón. Let the rhythm take you over.
Y jamón. Da 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 da. Y jamón.
Guys, it's getting late here.
Da 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 da. Da
People on the
da.
camera are getting a little bit loopy. Lindbergh to bring in the disc. Over to Libby in the middle.
Oh!
Great bid from Zach.
Great
Breaks
D.
that one up. Hey,
Woo.
Zach says, hey, Chili, relax. It's
Oh,
all
we're
It's
cool.
all
We're cool.
It's
We've been
all
here
cool.
before.
It's cool. Everybody chill out. He wants a break side. He's got a
Oh.
break side. And that's over there for the score. That
Hot
makes
diggity.
it 12-11.
Huevos rancheros.
To Huevos
Y-
Verde.
Jueves.
Y jamón.
Y jamón. Ta da 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 da. Y jamón. We've got cat pence on the pool with those yellow gloves. Hello gloves.
Hello, Gloveness.
Hello gloveness.
And the old roller pull. Whoa, great
Ooh.
bid. Knocks his glasses off, but he gets them back.
Libby.
Over to Libs. Libby swings it over to Ben.
Oh.
Ben with the old stick his butt out.
Busy. Hashtag tattooed.
Hashtag tatted.
Hashtag tatted. And we got that reset. We got that reset.
Libby.
Absolutely, that chemistry.
Libby
You
has
cannot
not
be
been able to
denied.
get this
Cannot be
outfield too
denied.
much.
Let's
There you
go, Blue.
Now
Let's
over
go,
to
Blue.
Libs.
Big Blue. Oh,
There's
cross
Libby sitting in
field.
the zone to Dima.
Ooh.
And that's a great breakup.
That
for
is a
Muted
great
Pants.
D. Muted pants.
He's been all over the place.
He has been muted.
Muted Pants is crushing it right now.
Too bad he's not wearing
If his pants were crazy,
crazy pants.
what do you think that his game would be?
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
No one can know for sure.
Great bid from Ben. Oh, that's
Danny's
not all
down
the way.
it. Down.
He would get there. He took a
Do
really
it.
bad angle at it.
Oh, I missed it. But he
That's
scored. He
elbows.
spiked it.
Muted.
Absolutely. Danny's excited. Danny is excited in them cat pants.
Cat scratch fever.
Crazy pants on the line. I'm just gonna for the sake of knowing what's happening, there's a timeout called, and we're adding a minute.
First and then add a minute.
Yep. Infernal.
Oh wow! Another roller polar. Roly poly oly.
Who would have thought? Over to Libby in the middle.
Oop whoop.
Right there to Sparks.
Sparky Sparky.
Looking for Zach. Does not throw it to him though. Looking for Libby again. She's got a step. That's all she needs. Danielle wide open, but there is a guy who's back there. Over to Eric. Lindbergh over to Zach. Over to Spark. Oh, never mind. They don't challenge. Sparky. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh
Am
boy.
I too far out? Oh. Oh.
Lindbergh.
Eric with the
goal.
score.
Hey, if we had the score, what would it be?
Hypothetically.
13-12.
Hypothetically, it's 13-12.
With how much time left?
We're not sure.
Both these white people. And then they're gonna see that we're both brown.
Dos noches con queso.
Gringos on the camera. Oh, Telepack is tall. Oh,
The wire is coming.
The wire
The
is
wire is
undefeated
coming.
Champ of blue versus red.
I think the best one to the stack is two hit the wire.
All right, Ben with the disc. And that
Ooh!
hand block to
Great
Sparky.
D, but not enough.
Peace. Libby's wide open on the strike. Danny's playing defense on her. Now Sparky's wide open.
Great
That's
throw.
a goal. That
That's a
puts
goal.
Blue up more than one.
Baby blue.
Best rep yet.
Oh, it's been said. You got a pull from blue?
Over to Joseph. Joe's looking for
Yo-Yo
it.
Ma. Taking
Gets
it
it
deep.
over to Zach. Zach
with
wants
them
the hook.
pants.
He's gonna hook it. There it goes. Nice defense from Olsen. And they rip it deep. They got Val, but they got defenders. Oh, does not connect. Danny's not happy about that. He felt like that was a great throw. I think everyone else would disagree, but who wants to argue?
But that doesn't matter.
Yeah. All right, we got that horizontal from blue again. Oh boy. Eric's got nobody. Swings it back around. Brett is playing very good under defense right now. Oh, great break. That's
Not
huge.
gonna lie, I lost the disc.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. Zach versus Zach. Blue Zach wins.
Blue Zach. Ooh.
Wow, what a break.
Oh, to
What a
Haley.
score. Blue is up
Let's
by more
go.
than 2 now. Sparky on the yank. It's 15-12 blue. Under 5 minutes to play. The pressure's really starting to mount. Oh, ooh. Joe, great job getting open on Sparks. Goes over to the middle. Looking for the continue as Ashley. Oh, great around from Ashley. Muted pants. Looking for the inside. He's got a great throw over to the break space. Joe and Demo.
Wowzers.
Woo!
Wowie wowie.
What a play by Dima.
Got bees with the disc. Hashtag tatted.
Over to Molson. Over to Danielle. Danielle looking. Oh, could have thrown great to Sparky there, but didn't have it. Looking for great around to Sparky. Look at, oh, that is not a great throw. Muted pants with the D there.
Muted pants. He's all over the place.
Cat pants. Rips it into the ceiling.
Ah, jeez.
I think it might have hit a wire right
Jason.
away and then hit the raft.
Yeah, that counts as a wire stat.
Yeah, that's definitely
Wire
that's going in
stat.
the wire. The wire's still undefeated.
MVPD.
Oh wow, that was really good defense from Ashley, but not able to get there. Over to Sparky. Sparky throws a hammer
With
out to
that
space. And Dima has it
Easy
for
catch.
the score.
Nice job.
16-12.
With
Blue.
less than 4 minutes.
Less than 3 minutes.
Less than 3?
Less than 3.
All right.
Timekeeping.
Old Yankerino. Danny fielding. About 2 minutes to play. They're down 4. Crazy Pants. Over to Allen. Allen on the under.
Ethan
Got
Allen.
it. Val continues around. Great throw to Danny. Danny's looking for a score. Throws it up to Allen. Allen tracking. Oh, and it's broken up at the last second by the Blue Man.
Blue Man Group.
Light Blue Man Group.
Baby Blue Man Group.
Baby Blue Man Group. There you go. Thank you. Thank you for the correction on that. Do you think that there's some number of people not wearing their team jersey to number of points that you win by?
Absolutely.
Correlation here?
Absolutely.
Oh, wow, that's just flicked up to space, but not in the end zone. All right, Allen crazy fakes with his shoulders. Throws it up high, and Lindbergh takes that one. He says, no bueno. Y jamon.
Y jamon.
Elizabeth, under, over to the guy, I actually don't know his name, I'm sorry. Lindbergh looking for the straight back dump, does not get it, so now they're in a bad spot.
It's got to be a stall.
A lot of people walking around like it's a stall. I think it is a stall.
Bum.
I'm just going to pick it up illegally because the guy who stalled him is supposed to tap it in, but who cares about rules? Rules are for
Winter
nerds.
League.
Over to Allen on the far 4 side. Can he get something off to the break side? He's got Crazy Pants. No, he throws over to Elsa.
Hot?
And she grabs it for the score.
For the score. What's the score?
16 seconds.
16 to 13.
Y jamon?
And that is game, folks.
Game. That's
GG.
game. GG. Y jamon.
Right there in the middle. He's the guy without a shirt on.
Hashtag tatted. Wait, turn around. Turn around. Yeah.
Top plays.
Oh, yeah.
Dun-dun-dun.
Dun-dun-dun. Y jamon.